When it comes to MRCOG Part 3, knowing the theory is not enough. Success depends on how you perform in the station, how you communicate, prioritize, and manage time under pressure. That's exactly where Immercog makes the difference. Immercog is a powerful video based MRCOG Part 3 training program designed to show you exactly how to handle real exam stations step by step, minute by minute. With 6 months of comprehensive access, you gain entry to an extensive library of 350 plus mentor performed task videos carefully created by experienced MRCOG qualified mentors. Every video demonstrates fully solved 10-minute tasks modeled exactly on real exam stations. So you don't just learn what to say, but how to say it as well within time. Immercog offers domain-wise structured coverage aligned with the latest exam recalls, ensuring that you're always preparing for what truly matters. Each video is designed with a real station exam orientation, helping you sharpen your communication skills, clinical reasoning, and time management as well. The three pillars for MRCOG Part 3 success. Whether you're commuting, on call, or revising between shifts, Immercog lets you learn anytime, anywhere, making your preparation flexible, efficient, and stress free. And most importantly, it works. With a proven success rate of over 90%, Immercog has helped candidates across the world walk into MRCOG Part 3 exam with confidence and clarity. If you want to see excellence performed, not just explained, Immercog is your answer. Train smart, perform better. Clear MRCOG Part 3 with Immercog.